discuss about the quantification of proteins. Take 96 well grade, label it properly. First take standard, 5 standard of BSA, then label for the samples. We will be taking ratio as a 196:4 reagent A to reagent B. So we will be preparing for the samples 24. For 24 samples we will be taking reagent A 4704 microliter and reagent B 96 microliter. First we will take reagent A. First we will be taking reagent A 4704. Now we will take 96 microliter of reagent B. Now mix the reagent A and B properly. Add 200 microliter of mixture in each well, one by one. We will add the standards as we are taking 2 mg per ml, 1 mg per ml, 500 microgram per ml, 250 microgram per ml and 125 microgram per ml. First we will add 2 mg per ml, 5 microliter. Then 1 mg per ml. Avoid bubbling. 500 microgram per ml. One 125 microgram per ml. Now we will add each samples 5 microliter. Add one blank at the end. We are adding water as a blank, 200 microliter of water. Let it at 37 degrees Celsius and dark for 30 minutes. Now on the instrument, it is a multiplate reader. Click on Softwares, Softmax Pro. Click on Settings, Endpoint. Select wavelength as a 562 nanometer. Select the rows which you want to measure the wavelength. Absorbance. Wait for the software to connect. Then also open the Excel to copy the data. When the software will load, you have to keep the plate in the drawer. Connect the connect the instrument with the computer. Then click on read. Wait for few minutes. It will give the absorbance. Copy the plate data and paste in Excel. First 5 are standard, so select transpose. Write your concentration. Take blank. We have kept water as a blank, so you can take blank. Minus blank from the given standard absorbance. Select the concentration and the absorbance. Click on Insert, Scatter Graph, add trade line equation. Now take remaining the unknown samples constant absorbance, transpose it. We are going to label them from 1 to 8. Then from you can see the equation. From this equation you have to calculate the value of y. So we have to calculate the value of x. So absorbance is y. So y minus 0.0554 divided by 0.0002 will get the value of x. Drag it down. So we have taken the standard in mg per ml, so we have to convert them into microliter. So we are dividing the value of x divided by 1000. We have to load 40 microgram sample. So 40 divided by the calculated value. We are adding 5x tie. So we are dividing the uh, calculated value by 5. So we'll get the volume for 5x tie. volume to be added in each well we can calculate by um, adding volume for 40 microgram plus 5 plus volume for 5x star. Now we will see the how to prepare samples. First, take each sample as we have calculated. Add 5x star into each sample. Keep them on heating bath at 95 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your samples are ready for loading.